Hello, and welcome to another FasTrax training video. This is Derek, and in this video we will learn how to utilize the time clock in the POS. After opening and logging into the POS, if I want to clock in, I will press the Clock In button under the Time Clock section of my home screen. Depending on security settings at the store, I may have to re-authenticate myself. If another employee is logged into the register and I wish to clock in or out while they are logged in, the Time Clock POS button can be utilized to accomplish this. This can be found on the POS panel screen. Due to varying panels and buttons, this could be labeled differently or in a different location on your screen. In this scenario, the button is in the Cashier Functions panel. I will press the Time Clock button and complete my action. For any questions or assistance on this topic, please refer to the documentation or contact our Lifeline support analyst.